Hi everybody, welcome back. Today for you, I have in my Fast and Fierce series, Get to Work. So I usually like to do a lot of bold and different looks, but today I thought I would do a really quick Fast and Fierce everyday work appropriate look. This is something that I actually wear to work quite often, so it's totally work appropriate. We know in the past, in my experience, I could pretty much get away with whatever makeup I wanted to wear when I was working my midnight shifts, but now I am kind of in that upper echelon, so I have to tone it down just a little bit more, and I'm there during the day. So I thought it would be fun to bring you a Fast and Fierce, super simple, easy peasy. I'm going back old school with my Too Faced chocolate bar, the original. How have I kept onto this sleeve all this time? So we've got these amazing colors here to work with, all that you can take really glam or make very work appropriate. So again, this is going to be a Fast and Fierce. It's going to be on hyper speed as we go through it. You can always, if you need to, change the settings and slow the video down or pause. But at any rate, let's get into this.
I had to try to break the habit. I changed my mind. Now I can have it. Make me feel alive. I've got nothing to hide. Would I go chasing after? I had myself to blame. I knew it meant disaster. My arms went up in flames. I ran until the morning, bit my heart from my chest. I put my soul into this. I can't control must be out.